Yo, what is up? So in this video, I'm going to be talking about breakaway gaps. So a breakaway gap is a fair value gap that does not get traded into. And we can anticipate a breakaway gap based on the third candle of a fair value gap. Now let's study breakaway gaps with a scenario. Now this is the case of a bullish fair value gap being created. Now if we see, this is the third candle. In this case, this is the third candle. In this case, this is the third candle. Now, because of how candle 3 in this example closed above candle 2 with high momentum, we don't expect this fair value gap to get traded or tested instantly. So basically the next few candles, I'm not expecting this fair value gap to get tested. I expect this to stay open. And this is the concept of breakaway gaps. Now in this example, I expect price to trade into the fair value gap because this candle number 3 did not close above candle number 2 with a lot of momentum. It closed above, but it did not have a lot of momentum, which is why I expect this fair value gap to get traded to and price to head higher. Now in this example, the fair value gap did open, but the third candle was a red candle and it did not have any momentum while it was closing. So I expect this fair value gap to get inversed. Now let's study breakaway gaps in the bearish scenario. Now, because this is candle number 3 and it closed with high momentum, I don't expect this to get traded to. I expect this particular fair value gap to get traded to and respected. And because this did not have any momentum, it was a green candle while it was closing, I expect this fair value gap to get inversed. Now, everything that I've said is based on anticipation, and because I don't trade based on anticipation, which is why I don't use breakaway gaps a lot in my trading. This is just a concept that you need to know while you're trading. So this is all you need to know about breakaway gaps. In the coming videos, when I introduce breakaway gaps into the fractal model and many more things are going to be introduced, it is then that you will understand why breakaway gaps is just a concept and you don't need to use it every day.